Is it difficult for you to put everything together in harmony at home? Then this video is perfect for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zahira, architect and lighting designer, founder of D.Signers. If you are new here and you love design, don't forget to subscribe to join our community and to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. I will show you some design principles and tricks that we, designers, follow at the time of creating a cohesive home. Let's get started. Choosing colors carefully is one of the easiest ways to ensure cohesion in a space. A simple way to create a consistent look in your home is to use a consistent paint color on the walls to connect one room to the other. This doesn't mean that all rooms have to be exactly the same color. You can vary the tones as long as they are within the same color family. This way you can break the flat sense without compromising the space flow. Think about the colors you will use throughout the house. Instead of choosing a plan for each room, it's worth choosing a set of colors that make up your overall palette. I always recommend to defining the color palette and style of a space first. This way we can guarantee that the final result is consistent and pleasant. In addition to the paint colors, the color palette extends to all the other elements in your home. Don't forget to define the color of your textiles, furniture, and accessories. Keep in mind that each piece is a part of a whole composition. For that reason, making a plan is key. By the way, I have a video on how to combine colors like a pro using the color wheel. So if you want to learn more about it, check out my video on that right here. Using the same flooring will create continuity in the interior, especially for large open spaces. Use the same material for your flooring. This will make each space part of the general composition since they will be united through the consistent texture used for flooring, giving a fluid and continuous appearance between the different areas of the home. The human eye picks up changes in texture and color and automatically creates boundaries, so when using different texture on flooring, make sure to do it carefully. You can use other textures in special spaces such as kitchens, laundry rooms, and bathrooms. This way you can define these areas and at the same time, you can incorporate materials with special treatments that are more resistant to moisture. But don't choose these textures separately. Follow your color palette and style to ensure visual harmony. Remember to keep consistency in style and color. Make the textures speak to one another. If you're looking for selecting the perfect flooring, I have a video that can help you pick the right one for you. Check this video right here. One of the main points when creating a cohesive space is to connect elements through their color, texture, or shape. Choose pieces that have similar details to each other. This will visually make a communication between the parts. For example, when it comes to incorporating lighting fixtures, try to ensure that each one is related to the other, either in style, the color of the material, or texture. If you choose a gold brass chandelier, make sure that your other lamps or decorative elements in the space have some detail in gold brass. This way, you will visually connect and group the elements by their similar fact. Remember that they don't have to be the same, but they must have something that connects them to each other. Also, be consistent in style and color when selecting hardware, type of doors, window and trim, and so on. Those are the details that make the difference. You can also create common threads by using a color. Use the chosen color in an artwork, in an ottoman, a cushion, or in some other decorative detail that you prefer. This is a design principle known as rhythm. This principle is crucial at the time of creating cohesive spaces because those links will make your eyes flow in the space, helping you connect the similar elements throughout the rooms, perceiving a cohesive and unified design. Keep your style consistent. A great way to make rooms flow together is by maintaining the design style. Choose a style or a mix of styles that you love and use them throughout your home. It's better to have a mix of styles in every room than having rooms decorated in completely different styles. If each room is done in a different style, the home will be confusing. So if you really love different styles, use elements of each in all rooms, looking for the correct proportions between both to achieve a perfect balance. It will make the rooms flow together in an effective way. If you think more than one style defines your personality, you should check out my video on how to mix styles right here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment below. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to join our design community. Remember to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.